Hang up. 3 meanings, 9 examples, synonyms of the phrasal verb. The first meaning of the verb, to put clothes or things on a hook. 3 examples. Please hang up your coat on the hook. Please hang up your coat on the hook. She hung up her dress in the closet. She hung up her dress in the closet. He hung up his keys by the door. He hung up his keys by the door. The second meaning of the verb, to end a phone call. 3 examples. Don't hang up. I'll be right back. Don't hang up. I'll be right back. She said goodbye and hung up. She said goodbye and hung up. He was so angry that he hung up on me. He was so angry that he hung up on me. The third meaning of the verb, to stop doing a sport or job. 3 examples. After 20 years, the footballer hung up his boots. After 20 years, the footballer hung up his boots. She decided to hang up her dancing shoes. She decided to hang up her dancing shoes. The famous tennis player hung up her racket last year. The famous tennis player hung up her racket last year. In the first meaning, we can use the following synonyms: to put on a hanger, to hook up, to place on a hook. Synonyms of the second meaning: to end the call, to put down the receiver, to ring off. Synonyms of the third meaning: to retire, to give up, to quit, to stop doing, to step away from. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like.